So if you're thinking of starting a website or an online store, Shopify is usually one of the first choices when people think of e-commerce. It's no surprise since Shopify has become one of the biggest names in the e-commerce space, powering millions of online stores. Now, Shopify is great, but there are many other good options that are just as good. So today, we're checking out 3 of the best Shopify alternatives: WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace. And before we jump in, if at any point you guys want to try these platforms, then hang out until the end because I will be sharing some deals and discounts with you. So first up is WordPress, the world's most popular content management system. If you've ever researched website building, then you have most likely heard about WordPress. It powers over 40% of websites on the internet, which is huge. But what makes WordPress so popular for e-commerce stores is its flexibility. WordPress isn't just a website builder. It's a highly customizable platform that can handle pretty much anything, including e-commerce, thanks to a plugin called WooCommerce. With WooCommerce, you can transform your site into a fully functional online store. The plugin is free and it includes essential features like product listings, payment gateways, shipping management, and tax calculation. However, you do need to purchase a subscription to actually make it function. Now, beyond that, WordPress has an endless selection of plugins and themes that let you customize every part of your site. If you need SEO tools, there's a plugin for that. Want to add product reviews or live chat? It has you covered. The best part of WordPress is its scalability. Whether you're running a small shop or a large online business, WordPress can handle anything you throw at it. Its open source nature means you can adapt it to your specific needs, unlike platforms with fixed templates and features. Now, it's also SEO friendly thanks to tools like Yoast SEO and Rank Math, which help you optimize your site's content to rank higher on Google. Now, saying all that, there's one huge thing that you should know. WordPress isn't an all-in-one platform like Shopify. You'll need a web hosting provider to keep your site live and accessible, and this is where Hostinger and Bluehost come into play. Hostinger is one of the most budget-friendly hosting providers on the market, offering beginner-friendly plans designed specifically for WordPress users. With Hostinger, you get a free domain, an SSL certificate, and WordPress-optimized performance, which ensures your site runs fast and smoothly, and their 24/7 customer support is a lifesaver when things get out of hand. Now, Bluehost is another platform that is officially recommended by WordPress, which gives it some credibility. Bluehost offers one-click WordPress installation, making setup extremely easy if you're new to website building. Their plans also come with strong performance guarantees, meaning your site will stay up and run without interruptions. Plus, new users get a free domain for the first year, making it a great starting point if you're launching your first online store. And if you want to try out either of these 2 platforms, then you can go to the link in the description below to get the best available deals if there are any. And for Hostinger, you can use our code SITESTARTERS to get an additional 10% off their plans. So go ahead and check that out. So bottom line, WordPress combined with a hosting provider like Hostinger or Bluehost is ideal for businesses that want full control over their site's design and functionality. If you love customizing your website and you want something that can scale alongside your business, well, WordPress is definitely worth considering. Next on the list is Wix. Now, Wix makes website building look incredibly easy, and for good reason. Their drag and drop editor lets you design a professional looking website without writing a single line of code. What makes them great is how beginner friendly it is. You can choose from hundreds of beautifully designed templates, customizing them to match your brand, and launch your website in just a few hours. Adding products, setting up payments, and managing shipping is super straightforward thanks to Wix Stores, its built-in e-commerce solution. Now, Wix doesn't stop at basic e-commerce features. It also includes built-in marketing tools such as email campaigns, social media integrations, and even customer analytics. Now, these tools help you run marketing campaigns directly from the platform, so you don't need to invest in separate software. Now, of course, not everything is perfect. Wix has its limitations. Its customization options, while decent, are still more limited than WordPress. You can't dive into the code as much, so you might feel restricted if you want something highly unique. On top of that, scalability can be a challenge. Look, Wix works well for small and medium-sized stores, but for larger businesses with more complex needs, you might find its features limiting. Still, if you're a small business owner looking for an intuitive and visually appealing platform, Wix is one of the best alternatives to Shopify that you're going to find out there. Now, last up on the list, we have Squarespace. If design and aesthetics are important to you, Squarespace is easily worth checking out. It's known for its stunning professionally designed templates that give your website a premium polished look right from the start. If you've ever seen an incredibly great looking website and thought, wow, this is beautiful, there's a good chance it was built on Squarespace. But it does much more than just make visually stunning websites. It's a fully hosted platform, meaning you don't need a separate hosting provider like you would with WordPress. This makes it an all-in-one solution for building a website and running an online store. Setting up an e-commerce store on Squarespace is straightforward. It includes all the essential features you need, like product pages, inventory management, shipping tools, and secure payment processing. Everything is built in, so you don't have to worry about installing extra plugins or extensions. Squarespace also offers built-in marketing tools, such as email campaigns, SEO settings, and analytics, helping you track your site's performance. Now, like all the rest, Squarespace does have a few drawbacks. For one, its third-party integrations aren't as extensive as WordPress. You're limited to what the platform offers, which might be a deal breaker if you need advanced customization. Also, while Squarespace is beginner and user-friendly, it can take a bit of getting used to, especially if you've never built a website before. Still, for creative professionals, artists, and small business owners who care deeply about the look, Squarespace offers the best blend of beauty and functionality. Now, if you're still thinking about using Shopify, there are a few things you should keep in mind to make the most out of it. Shopify offers several pricing plans, starting with the basic plan, which is perfect if you're just getting started. It covers the essentials like your online store, unlimited products, and basic customer support. As your business grows, you can always upgrade to higher tier plans like the Grow or Advanced plans, which come with perks like professional reporting, lower transaction fees, and advanced shipping options. But here's the thing. Shopify's base price isn't the whole story. You might be paying for more than you think, like premium themes if you want something a bit more stylish, and third-party apps, which we're going to talk about. Then there's payment processing fees. If you use Shopify Payments, the fees are competitive and baked into your monthly plan. But if you prefer a different payment processor, be ready for additional charges per sale. What's great is that Shopify's drag and drop editor makes customizing your themes super easy. No coding required. You can tweak layouts, add images, and change colors in just a few clicks. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can always use Shopify's custom code editor, which lets you dive into HTML, CSS, and Liquid, which is Shopify's coding language for more advanced customization. This means your store can be as unique as your brand, helping you stand out a lot more. There's also the Shopify App Store. Think of it like the App Store on your phone, but for your business. If you need to improve your marketing, there's an app for that. Want better product management or customer support tools? Well, there's an app for that too. Some of the most popular apps help with email marketing, social media integration, and even drop shipping. While many apps are free, some come with a monthly subscription, so there will usually be an added cost that you will need to budget for. Now, one of the best things about Shopify is its ability to grow with your business. Whether launching a side hustle or expanding into an international empire, Shopify has your back. Features like multi-channel selling let you reach customers on platforms like Amazon, eBay, Facebook, and Instagram, all merged from one dashboard. Plus, Shopify supports international shipping and currency conversion, so you can tap into global markets without any issues. As your business scales, consider upgrading to a higher tier plan. This unlocks tools like advanced reporting, professional analytics, and custom shipping rates, which are essential for a high volume store. And if you hit enterprise level success, Shopify Plus offers a fully customized experience tailored to your brand's unique needs. All in all, Shopify is usually my go-to choice because it's straightforward and very easy to use. Even if you're not tech savvy, it's not that difficult. Now, that said, the other options we talked about today are also solid choices. However, if I could only choose one, it would definitely be Shopify because of everything I've mentioned. Also because I'm very confident when I use Shopify. But let's be real, the best e-commerce platform for you depends on your specific needs. WordPress is perfect if you want maximum customization and are ready to manage hosting through providers like Hostinger and Bluehost. If you're looking for something simple and intuitive, Wix is a great choice. If you want the best for design and branding, Squarespace is the easy choice. Before making a decision though, take advantage of the free trials and the discounts we have in the description below when you're checking them out and see which one feels right for your business. So that's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them below. If you enjoyed this video, then go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. And again, go ahead and check out those deals and discounts below in the description and use the code SITESTARTERS for Hostinger. But finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.